next January 2025 already. I'm starting a new course that I entitled Parenting in Compassionate Awareness. And is going to have 10 sessions. And the idea of bringing this subject is that through my work in all these years, it has been a very present theme in questions and consultations about having problems of educating kids and limiting the kids or allowing freedom, or even if what is adequate to teach them spiritually, what we can do before we conceive a kid to bring a better a karmic condition, all these things that are around parenting, from planning parenthood to the rest of our life. Basically is something really important for us, especially today now as humanity is walking. And I hope that I can give you some advice from the psychological, spiritual point of view of how to deal with the issues, what to expect. You probably have heard many times, of if you're already parent, this expression, nobody told me. If I knew beforehand, I don't know if I would have kids or something like that. It's very common because there are so many things happening, not only in the process of every day, but also in the process of the unconscious projection that parents put in their kids, and that complicates things a lot. So anyway, I decided to try to remember all the different issues that had arisen through years and put it in a course, and hopefully that can give you some new vision about parenting, about your role as parents, even your role as sons or daughters. And definitely, if you are not having now children, and you're planning to have children, I would recommend this very, very emphatic to you. Have some learning before having kids. If you still have young kids, I think it's going to be helpful also for you. If you already have grown-up kids or you will never have kids, I think it's also good to have some understanding, because it's a very important part of our human experience. So if it's something that you're attracted to, see you on January for this. Thank you.